This video, I'm going to show you how you can remove payment method from Facebook Ads Manager, right? So you want to log into your Facebook by coming to facebook.com/ads manager, right? And it's going to take you to this windows. Now, how do you remove a payment method from your ad account? Come to this hot tools here. Come to this hot tools here. Then click on billing and payment, right? This billing and payment. Once you click on hot tools, click on this billing and payment. You want to make sure that you are on the right ad account by coming to this part of your screen, right? And click on see more ad account. Alright, you want to make sure that you select the right ad account. If you have more than one ad account in your account, you want to make sure that you select the right ad account, right? Now that you have confirmed that this is the right ad account and you are seeing the actual payment method here, which is in this case I'm using PayPal here. Alright, so now to remove my payment method, you scroll downward to under this payment method. Alright, you're going to see your payment option. Let's say assuming you are using a credit card or a debit card, you're going to see your card here. You're going to see your card here with your card numbers, right? So all you have to do is to come to this part of your screen, right, towards the front of your payment method. Click on this three dots here, then click on remove to remove the payment method, right? Which is on this case now, my payment method is PayPal, right? All right, so let me remove PayPal now. All right, I'll click on this three dot icon. I click on remove, right? I'm moving on outstanding balance. So let me see if I can pay now, right, so that I can remove it, right? um Let me see if I can pay. All right, because my payments have been paid successfully. All right, so guys, now that we have made the payment, if I click on this three dot icon now here, if I click on remove, the payment method is going to be deleted from my hard account, right? And Facebook will no longer be able to charge me from this particular payment method, be it credit card, debit card, or PayPal. All right, I hope you find this video. If you find this video, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel because I share helpful Facebook and Instagram ad tips that's going to guarantee you predictable results with your Facebook and Instagram ads. All right, so make sure you subscribe to this channel now and turn on the notification bell. All right, so that when I drop my next video, you're going to be the first to notice. All right, because I share helpful videos that's going to help you run profitable Facebook ads with predictable results. All right, until then, I'm going to see my next video.